Oh, I gotta switch it up on this bench. Like my outfit. Yeah, not that many people. And that was it. One guy. And the guy behind me, I haven't seen him in a long time. He was getting antsy. That guy was talking to himself. He was definitely not really mentally ill. I could tell. The way he was looking around the room before I even started recording. Yeah, it was sus. Listen, not that many perps came in, just that guy. I think, they wanted me to yell at him probably. But then I kept looking over the other guy. I was like, oh god, that guy's getting antsy behind me. Oh, I gotta close my purse. So, the guy behind me was getting antsy. He looked like he was getting a headache from it. So he probably already wasn't having a good, day at home. And most of the other people like now live in group homes. So there's a group home somewhere here. It's sad that they get used to do that kind of stuff. Usually. Sorry. But that guy was an actor. You could tell, like, the way he was looking out the window, he was looking around too to see if anybody was gonna react. Like, he was, mentally aware. That's why he had two hats on. He had one facing forward, the other one right on top of it. He did that on purpose. You want to look crazy while you touch your crotch. So, don't touch your crotch. Completely touch his crotch all the time. That's some sort of signal too, but men usually touch their crotch all day. And then that could be a signal too. I wouldn't put it past anybody at this point. You see this? See it? Anyway, there's a line. See it? Anyway. They're doing that a lot lately. Anything to make us sick. Oh, of course somebody has to come down. I'm feeling. I'm wearing a Target bag. And two of them are like 3. And then one regular red bag. I think the workers at Dunkin' was doing something today too. So I waited for a little while. I had my donut, I had a coffee. Only barely anybody passed by wearing a camouflage. Not that much. But they put the kid in the camouflage and the adult in the red, The garbage men came. And they threw everything in the pails, in the truck. So I saw a Target bag in there. But they did, people perps throw their perfectly good Target bags in the pail. So when the garbage men take it, you'll see it. It's subliminal, so I figured that. And I only saw a couple of Target bags and only a few camouflage. So those Vespa people again, so it's a lot of them. But this is what they get. They get those things as gifts. And it was like a bike with I think it was a gas tank on it or something. I don't know what the hell kind of bikes those are. But the guy who was using that bike, he looked over at me. He was kind of annoyed. It wasn't riding the bike, he was just walking it. It was kind of annoyed. I'm like, eh. And I'm like, oh, because I'm wearing camouflage. Because some of them get annoyed, but some of them don't. When I first, like I said, when I first walked up to Dunkin', the lady was coming out with 2 refresher drinks. I was gonna get those and I didn't. She had a camouflage shirt. So. They didn't come outside 1 second before. Oh, you all here? See, I got bored when I was sitting there. So, she took out her phone quick too. That was from the lady from earlier. Hopefully she was adjusting her music, but I have doubts about that. Just wearing a camouflage shirt. Same color as mine too. And I got the Under Armour shirts, and that's all anybody wears is Under Armour, I noticed. Everybody's t-shirts, especially the baby blue. I might have to get a baby blue t-shirt just to match my jacket. What do you think? He's wearing the Bulls. That's who I see that a lot. Everybody has the Bulls. The Bulls, the Bulls, the Bulls, the Bulls, the Bears, the Bears, the Bears, the Bears. The SNL skit. And there's Smokey Robinson. Wait. And he's got smoke. Oh, go back in. Oof, garbage stinks. I just open the garbage, I guess. I gotta go in. I gotta pee on the perps. I gotta pee on the perps. Yeah. You see how it's quiet now? Like after I got there, it was a little busy. But the first people that were sitting right at this table, they both had red on. The guy was a redhead too. I don't know how long they were there, but that's the guy next to them was talking to himself the whole time. So after a minute or two, they got up and left. And they looked over at me, looked over at him, and they left. But I don't think they were perfect. They were just regular people. Because the way they looked at him was like, "Are you fucking kidding?" You know? And they left. Like, I read people now more than I ever did, so. I'm surprised they're not mad at me because yesterday, when I came out of Dunkin', this cute little puppy wanted me to pet him. So I pet him. He was so friendly. He had this little sweater on. It was so cute. He didn't want me to stop petting him. He just wanted to be petted. It was so cute. So from that, I'm surprised they weren't pissed. And today with the Cardinal, I'm surprised they weren't pissed about that. Very strange. See, even some of the neighbors that actually speak to me, they wear red and black a lot. So the parents and the son wears camouflage pants all the time too. I'm grateful to find stuff with camouflage and throw it right back in their face. Maybe that's why they didn't really mess with me today. So today's a 3-day weekend, so they gotta get in the perping before Monday. The Mondays they got off that day probably. I don't even know. So you gotta work till Monday morning 5 a.m. I was laughing about it. The helicopter. Yeah, they only got one ambulance today. This is like the second helicopter. I don't know where it is. They're looking for somebody already. There's nobody here. Well, usually people go away for the weekend. The holiday weekends. Maybe I don't see the helicopter if I hear it. Yeah, really, I'm surprised that the perps didn't come out today, besides that one guy. What happened? What I think is going on is the guy did all of that because the guy behind me had to, was getting frustrated. And I think that guy was trying to get the other guy behind me to act up and yell at him. And then they wanted me to yell at both of them at the same time. I was like, wow, they're trying on. I'm like, yeah, they gotta get that bonus, right? Monday is a holiday. Oh, there it is. Well, now you can't see it. So, let's see. We can pass by here or not? Maybe. Yo, where are you? There it is. It's coming. It's hovering, huh? The reptilian shapeshifters. It's not on my side though. So maybe somebody in that apartment is doing something worse. With the quote unquote conspiracy theories. And because they know when, we're looking that stuff up. You know what I mean? So it could be. Let's go back around. Because they would have been right over my head. Now they come around probably. Look at happening. Where is the moon? There it is. That's cool. So they're probably not gonna let me talk. Yeah, they're getting louder. You hear it? Here they come. Oh, here she comes. Damn. They're circling. Doing the circle jerk. What the hell, man? Yo, we'll land on their roof so I can catch it. Damn! What an a-hole. So anyways, the other day I saw a picture of something. I forgot what it was. What the hell was the picture about? It was a story, and they posted the picture of it. And in the picture, in the background, I saw a reptile. He looked like King Koopa. Same little horn, same scales on his head, on his face, same thing. Instead of hair, he had the scales. Nostrils and a mouth, right? And then next to him was another lizard with a demon face, and then on the other side was another small one in between it with the look like a goat. So sometimes when you take pictures at certain times of the day of yourself or anybody else, if you zoom in and brighten it up and what have you, you could see that kind of stuff. As long as you believe in Christ, you know that these things are around, and that's what he's trying to tell you. Be sober and vigilant, which means no smoky, glug glug, none of that. Because sex can clog your mind too. I mean, yeah, we need it, but not as much as we think we need it. But if you practice self-love, too much of that, demons are gonna come in your house. I don't condone demons coming in my house. They actually get pissed off when I play prayer music. The lights flicker. This kid is killing me since yesterday. As soon as the car wasn't here, he banged my door. Meow. The food. Oh, Alrighty then. Cleaning up my driveway earlier. Yesterday he was banging on the pole with a stick, with a red stick, no less. Sometimes when you don't socialize with children, you know, with other cultures, I'm saying. The douchebag brothers kids are out. See what I mean? They had all day to come out. They did not. The bus was earlier, so my family came down. Right, they went shopping for groceries for tomorrow, and they came in. They opened the garage door, right, and so they're doing stuff in the garage. All of a sudden, a car comes by and honk honk. So, you know, my family doesn't know what that is, so they didn't turn around. There you go. So nobody turned around. And they did it again too. Like after they cleaned the backyard, the door was open, and I was coming out. And they did the honk again. The camera didn't capture the. They do it anyway. Just even if the camera doesn't capture, they still want to do it, and they just do it. I said to them, just do it, Nike Swish. So they listened. The helicopter is back. It's on the block. I mean, if anybody's gonna do any fireworks, it's not gonna be till later. I'm surprised I didn't see Booty Bandit. I see somebody right in blue coming by. I'm seeing it right here. I'll go in a minute. I'm changing my PJs, bruh. What the hell I'm saying? Because they're taking over my brain right now. Oh, these kids are ridiculous. Oh, they're not even coming down this block. Are they? Yeah. I don't know how fast the kids went inside. I don't know why they went inside so quick. This couple still haven't come down the block. Yeah. Well, they got in trouble, those kids. They got in trouble eventually. Now talk to the douchebag brothers themselves. You see, they taught the kids to spy on me. So now they come out every time I'm here. You know? So now they get in trouble by Grandma and Grandpa. I don't think they live here that long. They go back and forth to the other countries. They probably have another house there. And when they come back, they're in charge. You know, when the cat's away, the mice will play. So my grandparent always stayed home with us. And she lived with us, so there was no going back and forth. I'm gonna hook them up.